to brine a turkey? Are you sick and tired of dry turkey? I can't stand a dry turkey. Follow this video and it'll never happen to you again. We're gonna make a brine. Brine is mainly water and salt. Back in the day when we didn't have refrigeration, brines were used to keep meat fresh. For this brine, obviously salt, peppercorn, brown sugar, bay leaf, and a grapefruit. Now what happens when the turkey sits in this brine overnight, the salt actually starts to go to work on the muscle. It opens the muscle fibers up and it starts to seep its way in. The salt will actually take with it anything else that's in the solution. That's why I'm using brown sugar, bay leaf, peppercorn, and the grapefruit. It's gonna all infuse into the meat. Now here's what's really cool. All of that infusion of water gets into the muscle, so when you cook it, you're gonna still get a 20% loss of liquid, but because you've added 10 extra % of liquid into the muscle because it's getting pushed in by the salt, turkey never comes out dry and it has amazing flavor. So here's how we do this. All right, first ingredient's going to go in, salt. You're gonna add enough salt until it tastes salty like the sea. No measurements here, just throw it in. We're gonna add our bay leaf in there. I got like 4 or 5 leaves. Again, doesn't matter about measurements. Grapefruit segments going in. I'm also putting the rind in there. Brown sugar. Add about a handful of peppercorn or so. Okay, so I've added water to the pot. Just stir it up, get all that sugar and salt dissolved. We're gonna give this a taste. As long as it's salty like the sea, we're good to go. If not, I'm gonna add more salt. Okay, place the turkey head first into your pot. We want to make sure this is completely submerged underwater. All right, wrap it up, place it in the fridge for at least 24 hours, up to 2 days. That's how we do things on this channel. Super easy, quick, straight to the point. I also do awesome recipes. Check out my channel if you haven't had a chance.